Conversations with nature. Water trickles over smooth river rocks, shaping whitecaps with rising harmonies. Drifting through fragile weathered bare branches. Red leaves waft and fall through the melody. Air gathers fragrances born of the sun. Their aura sails past feathered reed grasses, floats above sleeping still misty waters, and rests on a breath still wrapped in its dream. Fire's wraith rages like an adulterer, pitiless to his offense, without shame. Smoldering remains insulate scorched soil, sowing new hope into my mother's womb. Earth speaks in tongues, often misunderstood. Angelic voices, conceived in her winds, swell and swirl in a symphony of love, joining as one on the bank of a stream. There are few things as paradoxical as the sky. Often a metaphor for where your goals should be, ambitious and high. We can never reach it, for the sky's infinite and therefore a matter of perspective. And like the sky, many of our dreams dwarf us and we struggle to start the objective. Regardless of this, the allure of the sky is just too great. Similar to the allure to dream, to desire and tempt fate. Its many charms are far too numerous to list. Your eyes are first consumed by the azure lagoon as it swallows your worries, tuning them into bliss. And the ever-mercurial mist that teases your eyes as their wispy forms pass on by. The passionate hues of pink that signal a budding sunrise, that opposes the violent eruptions of the evening that tells of the sun's demise. But there's one more trick that the sky has up its selves, a trick so epic. A leisurely pastime of glancing at the heavens is made more majestic. Views of a vast sprawling vista teeming with heavenly beasts. And looming dark towers filled showers that bring awesome devastation or a mighty harvest and feast. What I love the most are the soaring sierras. White-faced cliffs piercing the heavens shrouded in snowy mist masking the area. I'm filled with so much joy and wonder staring at the sky. Its silver linings often rescue my spirit, making it light. Light enough to fly. Have you ever seen snow in the heart of spring? The world changes with the arrival of spring. The gradual terraform coalesces to a sudden moment where all creation sings. There are many joys associated with this time of year. Return of the bird songs and moments in nature we hold dear. But none more striking and beautiful, no greater sight of wonder, than the budding flora and erupting trees that make us stop and ponder. First dazzled by the fine shards of purple, petals of white and cloves of pink. Then charmed by gentle forms of cotton ball clumps of kaleidoscopic ensembles so distinct. All for the tender breeze to move these blossoms with the most ethereal kiss. As a prismatic flurry coats the winding road in a pastoral matrimonial mist. And like the lace that deftly conceals a bride's visage, you are hypnotized and transfixed by the wisps of gleeful foliage. It falls all around you, tickles your skins like snow. Zen and conscious in the midst of a vernal show.